Hello everyone, my name is Shiny and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be making 3 types of miniature plant DIYs. You can use them as a room decor piece or you can use them as gifting purpose. These DIYs are super cute, and also if you are bored at home, these DIYs will help you to kill your boredom, and also it will kill your stress, I guess, because they are so cute. I felt so happy after making them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First, take a foam sheet like this and cut out a circle. Then fold the circle and make a slit on one side of the circle. Make this as many as you need. Join them all together just like this. Now paint them in green color, but if your foam sheet is already green, you can skip this step. Then for the pot, cut out 4 cardboard pieces shaped like this and stick them. Then cut out a base for the pot and stick it too. After that, cut out a cardboard piece to cover the upper part of the pot. Then fix it. Then apply glue on the cover, leaving the center, and sprinkle some sand. Sweep off the excess. Then apply glue on the center and stick the cactus. Then I am just adding small pieces of fabrics to make a flower. You can use paper too. Now paint the pot with any color you want and keep it aside, let it dry. Meanwhile, take 4 big paper sticks, or I don't know what it's called, but yeah, 2 medium paper sticks and 3 small paper sticks, and you can also use straws instead. Now take a cardboard and 2 colored chart papers of same size to cover the cardboard and stick them. Now stick the paper sticks on the edges of the cardboard just like this. Then just make a triangle in the front side and on the back side too, just like this. Just follow what I'm doing. And lastly, stick the pot. Keep it on your table, or you can even hang it on your wall, and yeah. For this one, firstly I am making some leaves. So take a green paper and cut out small leaf shaped papers. Then for the stem, cut out some papers shaped like this. Now to make some flowers, I am making the shape of petals and cutting them out. Now stick the leaves onto the stem. Then stick the petals to make a flower, and then add the flower to the stem. After that, I am going to make a window. So take some paper sticks and also take a cardboard to make the slab of the window and fold it from the middle like this and stick the edges. Now join the paper sticks like this to make the window. Then take a clear plastic sheet and stick it onto the window. Let it dry, and after drying it completely, cut off the extra parts. Then add the remaining paper sticks like so. Then stick the slab to the window, and yeah. Now take a small paper to make the pot or vase for the flowers. Fold one of the edges so that it would be easier to stick it on the slab. and cut off the edges like this so that it would be easier to roll it. Now stick it on the slab and then add all the flowers. Now similarly I am making more pots, so I made some grasses. Now sticking them on a paper and then roll it, and yeah, there you have another pot of grasses. Similarly I have made another pot and a plant. Stick it on the slab, and yeah, for this one I am cutting a circle from a green colored paper, then just folding it from the middle and cutting it to make a leaf shaped like this. To make the stems, cut out some small strings like this. To make them steady and a little hard, take some glue, and to give it color, add some green color. Mix them all together, then just apply this all over the strings. Let it dry and it will become steady and hard. Now I have added a lighter color to add some details to the leaves. Then stick the leaves to the stems. Now to make the pot you can use polymer clay, but I didn't have that, so I made it with the real clay. Now let it completely dry and after that paint it. Then take a small piece of cardboard and mark the shape of the pot's upper part. Cut it out. We have to fit it into the pot, so cut it a little smaller than the shape we made. Now make a hole in the center of the cardboard, then take the leaves and pass through them from the hole, just like this. Then apply glue here so that they stays in right place. Cut off the excess. Then apply glue in the pot and stick the leaves, and yeah. Now this is totally optional, but I am going to make a stool to keep the plant. So for that I am using the popsicle sticks. And to make the legs of the stool, I am gonna be using these matchsticks. And yeah, here you have a little stool. Now I have made some more small pots and some plants too. For this one, take a green paper and cut out very thin pieces like this. Join them all together, and yeah. For the next one I made the same grasses, but this time it's bigger and thick. Also added some flowers. For the next one, just cut out the same shaped papers and just twist it and bend it a little to make shapes like this. For this one, I have used the same stems and some leaves and added some yellow flowers. And lastly, for this one, I have again used the strings for the stems, some leaves, and for the flowers, just take a small piece of any colored paper and just crumple the paper and you have cute little flowers, and yeah. That's it for today's video, guys. What do you think about these DIYs? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you're trying any of these DIYs, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share this video if you want to. And please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.